as Turkey attempts to negotiate a return to the F-35 Lightning II fighter program with the United States, the world may witness a geopolitical version of groveling. Turkey was one of the original partner countries in the program, with an order for up to 100 units of the Air Force F-35A version. Turkey and its President Tayyip Erdogan, most likely still suffering from the impacts of the failed 2016 coup attempt, blamed members of the European Union and the United States for playing a role in the coup. In 2017, President Erdogan took a drastic step by concluding a $2.5 billion arms deal with Russia to acquire the advanced S-400 surface-to-air missile system. This decision by Turkey led to a series of events that adversely impacted the country.